Bessemer's resilience, however, is evident in the collaborative efforts of its community organizations, which strive daily to create a safer environment for all residents. Their initiatives emphasize education, empowerment, and engagement, seeking to foster a sense of unity among citizens while confronting the persistent challenges. Through workshops, community events, and outreach programs, these groups aim to instill hope and demonstrate that change is possible, even in the face of overwhelming adversity. In the midst of uncertainty, local leaders continually seek innovative ways to address both crime and economic decline. They organize town hall meetings, inviting residents to voice their concerns and contribute ideas for improvement. This dialogue fosters a renewed sense of responsibility, encouraging citizens to take an active role in their community's revitalization. Local businesses, although facing their own struggles, are beginning to form coalitions aimed at supporting one another and promoting safety. These alliances not only bolster economic recovery but also reaffirm Bessemer's spirit of resilience. Community gardening projects emerge, transforming vacant lots into vibrant green spaces, where residents can gather, share resources, and build lasting relationships. As these seeds of hope are sown, the city inches closer to a brighter future, with each effort contributing to restoring pride in Bessemer. The commitment shown by its residents serves as a testament that even in dire circumstances, a united front can lead to meaningful progress. Amidst these endeavors, local law enforcement has also increased their presence, collaborating with community leaders to implement proactive policing strategies. They conduct regular safety workshops, educating residents on crime prevention while fostering positive relationships between officers and citizens. This initiative builds trust and encourages open communication, allowing residents to feel safer in their own neighborhoods. The police department has also expanded youth outreach programs, aiming to connect with younger generations early, offering mentorship opportunities and alternatives to gangs. By bridging the gap between the force and the community, Bessemer's leadership aims to create a more secure and cohesive environment. Each small step contributes to an overall narrative that reflects hope, resilience, and the power of collective action in the face of adversity. As the city grapples with its challenges, the importance of mental health support has also come to the forefront. Recognizing the emotional toll that crime and economic hardship can exert on its residents, local organizations are beginning to offer counseling services and mental health workshops. These initiatives aim to provide coping mechanisms and break the stigma surrounding mental health issues. Bessemer's determination shines through as residents actively engage in transforming their city, embracing new possibilities for growth and healing. Ultimately, Bessemer's journey is a powerful reminder that cities, like individuals, can rise from adversity, cultivating hope and rebuilding amidst challenges. Through solidarity and innovation, they embody the belief that change is not only necessary but achievable, fostering a future filled with promise and opportunity for all.